This is our first time visiting GRT and we recommend it. The hospitality is brilliant. The resort is beautiful. The views are very good. They are very mesmerizing, and everybody has been a very good staff and have helped us throughout. So thank you so much. The food was amazing, and thank you so much for all of the hospitality and everything. It was a very great visit. We 100% recommended. Yay!
No, we came for 2 days and we postponed for one more day.
Yes.
For we enjoy here a lot of.
I would
and,
still recommend this resort for their hospitality and the food, and the view was really beautiful,
And
guys.
for our vegetarian people, so nice.
Yes, including James.
James.
James also.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Thank
Bye-bye.
you.
बोलना ये चाहता हूँ दिल से तुमको यार